Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. So if you want to view your search history, whether to make some changes as to delete your search history or whatever on Instagram, then this video is for you. So first of all, open your Instagram app and tap on the profile icon. Tap on the profile. Yeah, so tap on the menu button, tap on the menu. And tap on the account center. So this is the account center. So scroll down and select your information and permissions under account settings. So select your information and permissions under account settings. So realizing here there are lots of information in here. Tap on search history. And select your profile again. Tap on your profile. Yeah, so all your search history, the things that you've searched will be displayed in here. So if you want to, remove any item from the list, you just tap on the X button near the item that you want to download. And the item will be downloaded, it will be deleted successfully. So just tap on it and the item will be deleted or removed from the list. So this is how easy and simple it is to, view your search history on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful and useful, like the video, give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.